In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom tab in Excel. Custom tabs let you bring your most used tools together so you can work faster without hopping across different parts of the ribbon. The ribbon is that row of tabs across the top of Excel: Home, Insert, Page Layout, and so on. We're going to create one that's tailored to your workflow. Start by moving your mouse to any tab name on the ribbon. Right-click it to open a small context menu. From that menu, choose Customize the Ribbon. This opens the Excel Options window, where you'll build your custom tab. On the right side, you'll see the current tabs and groups in the ribbon. On the left side, you'll see a list of commands that can be added. Next, click the New Tab button on the right. Excel immediately creates a new tab with a default name, along with a new group inside it. Groups are like sections within a tab. They help you organize related commands. Think of them as folders that make your tab easier to scan. Now let's add the functions you want. First, select the new group inside your new tab so Excel knows where to place the commands. On the left, use the Choose commands from drop-down to switch between popular commands, all commands, or specific tabs if you know where something normally lives. Highlight a command you use often, then click Add. Repeat for each tool you want. You can also create additional custom groups to keep things organized. For example, one for formatting tools and another for data tasks. Use the arrow buttons on the right to move groups or commands up and down so they appear in the exact order you prefer. If you add something by mistake, select it on the right and click Remove. You can rename your new tab and its groups to something meaningful. Select the tab or group, click Rename, and type a clear, short label. For custom groups, you can also choose an icon that will show on the ribbon, which helps you recognize it at a glance. When you're happy with the layout, click OK. Excel closes the Options window and returns you to your workbook. You'll now see your custom tab across the top. Click it and confirm the commands are there and working as expected. If anything needs adjusting, just right-click any ribbon tab again, go back to Customize the Ribbon, and tweak your setup. Keep your custom tab focused on the tools you truly use so it stays clean, quick, and powerful.